Today we're going to look at some basic major chords, most of which are called open chords because they incorporate a string that is not fingered, so the string is allowed to vibrate freely. Strings that are played are symbolized by the O on the chord chart for open, and the X symbolizes a string that is not played. The F and B chords that we will look at today are an exception to this and are known as bar chords. To form a bar chord, we use a finger to push down across multiple strings, like a bar going across the fretboard. These are a bit more challenging to play and require a bit more practice until you have the dexterity in your fingers to form the bar shape. The chord should sound like this. A. B. C. D. E. F. And G. The chord spelling is a term used to describe the tones from a major scale that make up a chord. For a major triad, we use the root note, the third note, and the fifth note of the major scale. The notes in each chord are written underneath each chart. Notice that there are only 3 notes in each triad, although some of them are repeated. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.